In Chapter 3, we're going to discuss some of the resources that are going to be available to you to assist in your college career at Wayland Baptist University. The next thing we're going to discuss is the campus and university resources. We're going to be looking at the administrative, academic, technology, and some of the activities that are offered. On the administrative side, if you viewed the video in Module 2, you notice we had presentations from each one of the site coordinators. We have our front desk activities, we have a testing center, and we have our academic advising. In Modules 3 and 4, we're going to take a look at the academic resources available. In Module 1, we took a look at the technology. Primarily, we looked at Blackboard and how to navigate through Blackboard and other functions of the electronic resources that are offered by Wayland Baptist University. Wayland Baptist University offers academic catalogs in two versions. One is a hard copy catalog and one is a DVD version. It's highly encouraged for you to obtain a copy of the current catalog you're enrolled in and hold on to it because at some point in time in your future, maybe when you go for a job interview, you're going to have to recall some of the specific elements of a particular course that you've taken, and if you have the catalog available, it will be easier for you to locate and identify the specific elements of the course that you took. We have the academic advisors that will provide degree plan counseling and graduation services. We have the testing center, provides CLEP and Dante's credit for test, financial aid advising. We have a bookstore, and as mentioned earlier, we have the front counter services. On the academic side, it's highly encouraged that at some point in time early on that you meet face-to-face with the professors for the specific discipline that you're seeking a degree in. Learn where the bookstore is, learn the functions of the bookstore, and of course our various library services. We have the online WBU Learning Resource Center. We have the UAA Consortium Library. You can visit in person or it's online. And we have other local libraries in the area. We have the Fort Richardson Library, and of course we have the Lusac Library in Anchorage. Some of the technology and activity resources available include the local Anchorage Campus Computer Lab. That is accessible during normal business hours, and as a student you have the opportunity to utilize the resources that are in the computer lab. We also have a local website for the Anchorage campus. You can access that through the main Wayland Baptist University homepage. There's a drop-down menu on the left side for external campuses, or you can access it directly at www.wbu.edu/Anchorage. Each term there is a spiritual emphasis week, and during the particular week that you have class, if it is spiritual emphasis week, the class should be dismissed for 15 to 20 minutes for a presentation in the auditorium, and typically a local church will provide some snacks or a brief meal while you attend this spiritual emphasis forum. And then twice a year we have a community cleanup, typically on a Saturday. We also have a local chapter of Society of Human Resource Management. This is a great way for those of you in the business discipline to network with resources from all over the area, local and state level. And we do have our own Wayland Baptist University chapter. And if you will look when you come in the front door periodically, they will advertise their upcoming meetings on a small poster board. As far as the online program, Wayland Baptist University offers 3 levels of degree programs: associate, bachelor's, and master's programs. You can refer to the current catalog for the specific programs that are available. And our virtual campus, which offers courses via the internet, typically through the Blackboard forum. And from the technology side, in Module 1, we've pretty much already looked at each one of these services. The university website, we went through Blackboard, talked about student services, you established your email account, virtual campus, the Learning Resource Center, and the Writing Center. In your first term, we recommend that you seek academic advising, learn the registration process, meet with the specific professor in your discipline, and learn the libraries, whether it's the Learning Resource Center, the UA Library, the LUSAC, or Fort Richardson Library. And on the technology side, you should have your WBU email established. You need to learn what Blackboard is and how it functions, and of course what student services are offered. So as part of the campus resources, we've looked at the administrative, academic, technology, and various activities, as well as on the university side, some of the academic programs and the technologies that are used and offered. Okay, so these are some of the tools that are available for you, and according to Abraham Maslow, if the only tool you have in your toolbox is a hammer, then all problems must be seen as nails.